Hello everyone. In the last lecture, we have discussed how to create an application and details field and delete functionality. We have implemented three things. One is how to create fully form, and next one details a particular row. It's working fine, and delete functionality. Okay. Then today in this lecture, the main focus our is today we will discuss and implement the edit functionality. Okay, before perform the edit functionality, I will tell you something. Create on, click on create new. In this form, we have already designed and developed first lecture, lecture 1 and lecture 2. But in the third lecture, what I have implemented new. In the first lecture and second lecture, we have entered manually like name, email, ID, contact number, gender, every all things, even experience we have also entered. But in this lecture, I have created experience read only, and when you add years of work, then experience will automatically change. Like if you enter 2, okay, then its experience is 2. You enter 4 and click on add, then experience auto increment. You click like 5, 4, then you can click on add, experience is auto increment. And one more thing, I have designed this table or grid is scrollable. In the previous lecture, this is not scrollable. At that time, our form is too long. And so I have implemented this scrollable, and so that this form is not too much scrolling down. Okay. So if you delete this any record, like you want to delete 4, okay, experience is down. It automatically minus, okay, 4, and also delete 4, it's minus. And one more functionality I have implemented in this create functionality. If you have only one row, okay, then you can't delete the first row. This row cannot be deleted. Okay. So let's discuss the coding part of this functionality. Okay. First of all, I will tell you the experience and years work is how to increase automatically. Okay. So let's move the coding part. This is our create. So we find the create. Okay. This is our create page, create CSS/HTML page. Okay. First of all, I have implemented a one CSS class like dot this one like dot work here worked background image set none. Okay, and copy this CSS class and this. Okay, this one, and this is the field using the loop model and experience count. Okay, so this is experience and I is the counter. This one, and I have implemented like add the class, class form control and work and here work and add the work class which I have created here. Okay. And one more thing, how it is changing. Go move the below. Okay. This one. Calculate total experience on click button. Okay. This one. I will write one JavaScript function calculate experience. Then I have taken one variable x document dot get element by class name. And what is your class name? This one. This is the class name. Where total experience 0, where I is equal to 0, I less than x. X means document dot get element by class means which that coming from this class dot length I plus plus. Then total experience is equal to total experience plus eval then value of I and then value return document dot get element by id, the value is equal to total experience. Then total experience value is assigned to this id. What is this id? Copy and search. Okay. This one input level for this one, for this is a it's a total experience table, total experience control. And I apply the read only so that you are not change. It's not editable. Okay. It's not editable. Okay. This is the function which I have write to calculate the total experience. And where is call this function? Okay. This function calls for two places. One for when you click on add. Okay. When you click on add, this is the add button I have called it. Okay. It means when you click on add, okay, then it will be work. It will be performed. 2, 4, okay. This is the add button. This is the call. You can find it. This one on click. Okay. And next one. And the next one I have called this function. Suppose that you want to delete this. Delete this and 4 is also you want to delete. Okay. So this you will call on delete function, delete button functions. And this is the delete item button where you from this you can delete the item. This is the one click on button delete. Okay, this function I have called it. Okay. And one more things, the first row is not delete. You can't delete a first row. This functionality I have implemented this on this one. Okay. Prevent on the delete first row. Okay. Where table document dot get element by id table id row table dot get element by name tr if row dot length equal to then alert message is showing return this and ptl close this and remove. This functionality is working fine. Now we move the I have removed all comments. which is not required. Save it. Okay, this functionality is working perfectly fine. So now we move to the edit functionality, okay, which is the main functionality of today's video lecture. So click on this one, okay. Any tab you can click on, okay. It's perfectly data is loaded on a click, okay. So go to controller to understand for this functionality, okay. Okay, this is our controller, like delete and details functionality. So we perform edit functionality. You know that edit is performed two type of method. First is when you click on edit button, then data get from database that perform HTTP get, and when you click on save button, then perform post HTTP post. Okay. So for getting the data, the same code like delete or like details code. Okay. I just copy from here and put it here. Okay. The main functionality of HTTP post edit action. Okay. So this applicant thing one is more important. Like first, we edit. Delete existing record before edit the record. Okay. First off, I have write the code to delete the existing record from where ID from searching by ID. Okay. After that, deleting the record, we can save and modify the record. This is this is for applicants URL, and this is the function which I have already made it. This one function. Then applicant URL, post URL, database content dot h, np dot application state dot state modify, add experiences, range experience, save change, return into redirect to actions. If you don't watch lecture first and lecture second, then the little bit you don't understand the complete scenario. I recommend you please watch the first lecture and second lecture. After that, you can easily understand and create the same project, or including something new, you can modify our own project. So let's edit the any functionality in the no, first of all, we add one functional, we add the one record. After that, we will edit this one. Suppose that if we don't write this code after that, what is the impact to perform on this? Okay, I have comment this code. Okay, we will delete. Okay, it's done. We'll create like name. You are to the storage. Use the test at 1, 2, 3. Test at G, test at G, call. Okay. I fix the contact number only 10 number. Max value is 10. Okay. You write this with 10 number only. Yeah. 1, 9, 3, okay. Not a valid format. 99. Okay. MC experience is 0. Photo, profile photo, you can put it in a profile photo. Okay. And two, you can, I just selected dummy image. You can select perfect or correct image. Okay. Name like TCS programmer, software programmer experience 3 year. Okay. Click on add 3 year experience. Add one more experience. HCL. Okay. Senior software engineer 4 year. Okay. Click on add. Delete this 7 experience. You can submit here. Okay. We submit the record. Then what happened? Then this record is coming. Okay. Then edit for this record. Edit for this record. You want to change like what you want to change. You just want to change names, Suraj form, criminal or email ID. Suraj@gmail.com and date of birth is 195. Okay. Then browse experiences. Photo also want to change. Okay. Then adding the one experiences. Okay. And listen this and listen when I click on add button. Okay. On edit page, then previous entered data is automatically filled on next row which is added. This is assignment for all of you. You can implement this. If you face any difficulties, then you can ask me on comment section. I will suggest you. It should be blank. When we click on add, then it should be added, but it should be blank, not a pre-fill of previous data. So you can implement this. This is assignment for all of you. Okay. Then I added and the 2 year experience. So after company with T. So we have added 3 row and 4, 3 total experience 11 year. Okay. Then click on save button. Okay, successfully it's saved and you can check the database if it's saved or not. Now what database is core project. Expand it core table. We have 2 tables. One is applicant and next is experience detail. Here we select star Okay, this is the data which you have entered. Okay, this one which entered 4013 record is the applicant table. Total experience is this, and experience table as per a correspondent of 403 ID. We have added 2. Okay, 1 2. Correct. We added 2. If you edit and delete detail button, you can see here you have added 2 record you have added on experience table. Okay, so we need to add one more experience. Click on edit. We want to add one more experience. Okay, company name is ABC and 18 week. Okay, experience is 3. Okay. We can edit this one. Click on save. No, it's required. This required. Suppose and think. If you click on edit button, then all data will be fulfilled. Then profile photo is not fulfilled. As per design, it's not working. It should be fulfilled when click on edit button. All of you can try it to fix this on click on edit button, then it should be profile photo also filled. Okay, this is a assignment for all of you. You can implement, and if any problem face, you can ask me. Then I will suggest you. In the next lecture, I will implement all things like this one, and previously, like text box is empty, which I have already told. You implement both functionality, but you are also try to perform this and fix this issue. Now let's save this. Okay. Total expense is changed. Total expense is 10 years and details are also 3 showing. Not detail, not showing 3, only showing 2. Because if you check the database, .403, its correspondence save only 2 records. Why this is happening? Because you just comment this, okay? Because this is coming this code, okay? If you enable this or uncomment this code, then you can implement this, okay? Now we have added one more row, okay? Like A, B, C, A, B, software, 2, okay? And this one, we have deleted, okay? Total also 9-year experience and details is 3. So is 3, not is 3. Why this? Take breakpoint. Check this record. I think project is not properly built. Stop this. The project is not properly built or so put breakpoint on here and browse with Google Chrome. Okay. Click on done. Main problem or is this we have added one more experience but it's not showing in the database. So this is we are trying to fix it. Okay. Okay, this is the we're trying to save edit mode. Okay. Click on this, we add one more and strings like ABS. Okay, this is ID 4013. Okay, line deleted. Let's say 4 line. Okay, and click on save. Show this photo. The breakpoint hit here. Press F10 to move forward. And please change ID 4013. Okay, file is loaded. Attach applicant entity.modify experience add range client experience save changes redirect to index page. That's a file. Now we click on detail button and it should be 3 row. It should still it's not. You just check for database. Okay, it's still not loading. So edit functionality is working, but it's work your experience working not added properly. You will check and fix this. Okay.